What's up guys, this is Kai from Vertical Vision, and today I am teaching you guys a quick tutorial on the Futsal Shuffle. Here we go. So although at a first glance this move can look very fast and overwhelming, I'm here to break it down for you in 6 simple foundational steps. And it's essentially 3 steps because you're doing the first 3 steps and you're doing the second 3 steps, reversing the first 3 steps. Let me show you what I mean. Together. Right foot back, left foot back, left foot forward, left foot back, right foot, together, together, right, left, 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 right, together. One more time with me, okay? Together, right, left, 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 right, together. Just do that as many times as you need at your own speed. And everything else you're seeing in that video is Uzi making variations on this step. So if you can just get together, right, left, 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 right, together. Okay? If you practice that combo slowly, build it up, you will have the foundations for the Futsal Shuffle, and then you can add more to it, which is what he's doing in the video. So if you want to see more of that, like this video and subscribe, leave a comment below that you want more, and I will make another tutorial if it is demanded enough. We'll see how this dance goes, and good luck you guys. Take care.
Are you serious? I swear my money is serious. Okay, all my checks I just be clearing it. She suck my dick till she get delirious. Okay, jump on the jet so I'm clearing it. Okay, pop but I'm not talking new. Okay, smoke that boy just like a cigarette. If that boy try to make a false move, they try to cut me down when they say I'm too low.